I found a time machine. This free website just made my $60 PlayStation Plus subscription look like a complete scam. It is called retrogames.onl, and it is every game from your childhood playable in your browser right now. Let's be honest, you're sick of paying Nintendo for the same 30-year-old games you have bought three times. You're tired of sketchy room sites that give your computer a digital STD. And you are definitely overwaiting hours for updates just to play a 5-minute indie game. But what if I told you there is a free museum that fits in your browser? No downloads, no viruses, no subscriptions. Just pure nostalgia. I discovered this at 2 a.m., played until sunrise, and my productivity died, but my inner child came alive. Here's how it works. You need to open up your favorite browser and you go to retrogames.onl. Once you're there, you will see this. You will see all the classic gaming console. Let's scroll down a bit. Let's click Super Nintendo, the golden era. Hundreds of games loads instantly. You can search your favorite or manually select a game. Let me find Donkey Kong Country. The game that defined my childhood. Click it. It loads in a few minutes. Hit enter. So no waiting. And as you can see here at the top right, before you play, hit the controls if you want to change the default settings on your keyboard. So press F1. You should see the quick menu where you can see the options like resume, restart, close content, save states. This is very important to save your changes, to save your current state, and controls. So if you have a joystick or a plug and play USB controller, then you can use it. But since I don't have it, I'll map my keyboard keys, controls, and then port 1 controls. So this is where you will modify the keys. And the default keys are, as you can see here, the B and A are on your keyboard. It's going to be K, Z, X, A, and S. So the select button is Shift, and the start button is Enter. So you have the option to change it or just use the default keys. So I'm not going to change anything in here. Alright, I'll just exit. You're back here again, so press Enter. So choose one player, two player, or two player team. So just one player. I'm starting the first level right now, so let's move on. So look at this emulation. It is flawless. No lag, no glitches. So I'm collecting bananas now and rolling. So let me try to roll. Okay, it's A. Jump is Z. Let's jump in here to get the bonus. This feels exactly like 1994. The physics, the momentum, it's all perfect. Here's the modern magic. When you press F1 again, you should see the save state in here. You can save your exact spot anytime. Okay, this one, save state. As you can see, it's saving now. So if you die in a bonus room, don't restart the level, just load your state, your save state. Press F1 again to go back to your game or to continue to your game. So rewind for stupid mistakes and fast forward for slow parts. This emulation is really good. But maybe you're a PlayStation kid. So let's go back to the main menu in here. So click PS1, the original Gray Beast. The library loads, as you can see. So you should be able to search or just scroll down to find your game. If you want to play Final Fantasy 7, okay, scroll down. Crash Bandicoot, here it is. Metal Gear Solid, and so on. So let's try Crash Bandicoot. Okay, Crash Bandicoot, that's here. This will take for a while depending on your machine and your internet speed. So I'll go ahead and fast forward this. So the same options, as you can see in the top right, you should see the F1. If you want to go to the settings, default keys is A, Z, X, S, Q, W. Shift is the select. Okay, if you have the controller, that is select. So select is shift, enter is the start. You can also save your current state by going to settings and then selecting the save current state, so you don't have to start over again with your game. You can continue with your progress. And here's the kicker, your save state for Donkey Kong Country it's still there. So even if you close your browser, you come back tomorrow and it's like you never left. Okay, even if you close it, it's still there. So you can now play your favorite games like Zelda, Final Fantasy, and so on. So the comment section is a time capsule, people sharing memories, strategy, stories. One guy wrote he beat Super Metroid in a hospital waiting room while his mom was in surgery. That's not just gaming, that's culture. But here's the truth, sites this good don't last forever. Nintendo loves cease and desist. Bookmark it today, not tomorrow, not next week. Do it right now. So pause this video, go to retrogames.onl, find the first game you ever beat as a kid, play it for 10 minutes, then comment what memory it unlocked. I guarantee you'll remember something you haven't thought about in 20 years. Subscribe now, turn on notifications. Part 3 drops when this hits 50k views. The algorithm loves engagement, so drop a comment, smash the like button, and let's keep this digital museum alive.